Have you ever thought about how to raise your vibration and truly manifest everything you desire? Is it a magic formula? Let's dive into how you can truly raise your frequency and bring about everything you desire in your life by going within yourself. Einstein once said, "Problems need new perspectives for solutions." Think of it like tuning a radio to a clearer station. This tuning is called channeling, a way to connect with vast cosmic wisdom. Picture your mind as that radio. Normally, it catches day-to-day thoughts. But with channeling, we tune into the gamma frequency, a special range of 40 to 100 cycles per second. It's like stepping into another realm where great insights and answers come naturally. By turning our mental dial, we align with the universe's vast knowledge. It's not just about finding answers, but also harmonizing our intentions with the cosmos. Remember, channeling isn't bound by time or space. It's a timeless bridge to deeper understanding. When we're in this gamma state, everyday distractions fade, letting in pure, powerful insights. You might reach this state while doing what you love or doing deep meditation. In essence, channeling lets us dance with the universe's rhythm, unveiling profound truths. As we start this journey, remember, everything vibrates. Imagine life as a grand orchestra, where each element only harmonizes with matching tunes. In this gamma state, we tuned into its higher cosmic frequency, attracting matching insights and wisdom. Our minds connect to the vibes that match our current state. Life becomes a dance of energies, with each step syncing with the universe's rhythm. So to elevate your life, match your thoughts and passions to the universal beat. Now, imagine a vast, unseen well of knowledge stemming from a higher, almost divine intelligence. Those in tune with it experience the powerful pull of intention. Picture the universe as a grand tapestry, woven thread by intention. Every atom, heartbeat, and star is part of this design, connected by these intentional threads. In essence, understanding this gives us a peek into the hidden forces that mold our reality and the intricate blueprint of our universe. Throughout time, sages have sought a deeper connection to this universe, cleansing it from everyday distractions. Imagine the universe as a carefully crafted tapestry where each thread, including you, is woven with purpose. Every beauty in nature, from swaying trees to towering mountains, comes from a single source, intention, and we're all linked to it. What matters is how clear or muddled our connection to this intention is. The clearer your bond, the more you tap into the universe's potential. It's like a cosmic ballet. When in tune, you channel its might, becoming an agent of wonders, healing, and abundance. Life serendipitously brings the right people and opportunities, orchestrated by this universal source, the creator of stars, galaxies, and life itself. Our goal now is to reignite our tie to intention, guarding it from time's wear and tear. Consider this: our worldview shapes reality. If you approach life with negativity, that's the reality you'll create. Yet, shift your view, and the world transforms. Often, during hurdles, we look outward for answers when they're inside us. That's why this bond to intention is vital. Visualize intention as a pure river within you. Your task? Keep its path clear. Don't create, but allow, removing whatever blocks its course. Maintain this, and what once seemed unmanageable shifts to unfolding miracles. Remember, answers aren't external. They're within, waiting to be found. It's not about seeking outward markers, but diving deep inside yourself. The internal focus is key. Now let's dive deeper into this concept. Picture two paths. One looks outward, the other inward. The outward path is influenced by the world around us, while the inward path dives deep into our core, where our true desires live. The key is crafting your destiny, choosing the inward journey. Think of your mind as a canvas, with every thought painting your reality. This canvas reflects your inner world. And remember, there's no need to defend or explain your inner masterpiece. It's uniquely yours. To shape your reality, ignore outside judgments and trust yourself. Understand the power of this inward focus. It means you control your story, not external voices. When you solely react to the outside, you let others mold your tale. In this inward journey, you own your intentions. When you set a goal, root it deep in your heart and mind. Don't let outside doubts deter you. See your intentions as stars, shining no matter how far or dim they appear. External chatter may try to dim their glow, but your inner stars always shine bright. Every one of us has a mindset, a lens through which we view ourselves, others, and the universe. The lens is called the ego. It convinces us that our worth is tied to our possessions, achievements, or how others view us, making us feel isolated from the world and even the divine. But here's a shift you can make. Instead of getting trapped in thoughts like, "I can't change this," or "It's out of my hands," embrace the world of possibilities. This doesn't mean instant solutions, but it's about changing your mindset. Think of it as setting up a new stage for life, where, with the universe's support, anything can happen. This mindset transformation isn't about magic fixes. It's about broadening your horizon, turning challenges into opportunities. It's like removing the clouds blocking the sunlight, revealing paths you never noticed before. See this shift as a dance, where your thoughts harmonize with the universe's rhythm. Picture a world bursting with opportunities, and immersing in it becomes one of life's most incredible adventures. In the face of challenges, whether personal or financial, I've found it powerful to remind myself I can find a way through this. There are answers I haven't seen yet. This is the essence of possibility thinking. aligning your thoughts with potential, not problems. It's about meeting hurdles with hope, knowing that each obstacle offers a chance for growth. And to truly tap into this mindset, you must find alignment. Picture every excuse as a gap, a break between your true self and your origins. Remember, we were born from a space of perfect harmony, so why wait a lifetime to reconnect? Inspired by Einstein's desire to think like God, we should aim for alignment with this higher wisdom. Alignment means syncing your thoughts with the universe's grand design. Call this force God, the divine mind, or any name that resonates with you. It doesn't know excuses or weariness, but rather offers endless grace, patience, love, and unwavering belief in possibilities. To touch this truth, adopt a similar mindset. Instead of resisting, embrace understanding. It's not about giving up, but flowing, much like a river does with its terrain. As you delve into this, know that these ideas aren't just words. They're gateways to transformative growth. Envision a world where challenges are simply steps leading you forward, where your soul dances in tune with the cosmos. And always remember, don't let other people's opinions and thoughts limit your possibilities. I truly hope that you found this insight helpful in your journey. Please help others and spread this wisdom by giving this video a like, sharing it, and commenting your biggest takeaway. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to spiritually awaken and manifest the life of your dreams.